Hey! In front of me is TCL 205 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, just go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Now type in DevCheck and install this free app from this developer, DevCheck Device and Info. When it's ready, click on Open. From this app, you can learn all the information about your TCLs, dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!